Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to import a GitHub project into Lovable. First, make sure your project is ready on your computer. Open your GitHub repository in a browser. Click on the code button and download the zip file. Next, open Lovable and log into your account. Lovable does not support importing a project directly from a GitHub link, so we will start with a temporary project. Create a new project using any simple prompt, like creating a basic landing page. This project is only used to set up the connection. After the project is created, rename it to match the name of your GitHub project. This helps keep things clear and organized. Now connect Lovable to GitHub. Inside your Lovable project, click the GitHub icon in the top right corner or go to Settings, then Connectors and choose GitHub. Follow the on-screen steps to authorize Lovable to access your GitHub account. Select your account or organization and allow Lovable to create a new repository. This repository will contain the placeholder code from Lovable and will be linked with two-way sync. Finally, open the GitHub repository that Lovable created. Delete the placeholder files and upload your real project files from the folder you extracted earlier. Commit and push the changes. Once this is done, your GitHub project code will appear inside Lovable and stay in sync going forward. Thanks for watching.